the actual cause behind your porn addiction. If you resolve this, you will actually quit without having urges at all. Now there are 2 points you need to understand to fix the root cause of your addiction. And then, in the end, you will end up just like the ex-alcoholic guy called Thomas. Thomas was an ex-alcoholic for many years. Actually, for his whole life. But Thomas one day decided that he didn't want to drink. He decided that drinking was nothing for him. So what happened is that Thomas didn't avoid the friends that still drank. He didn't avoid the parties. He actually went to the parties, he went to see his friends, and he didn't get triggered at all. He was never urged to relapse. He was never caused to relapse. And that is actually the end goal, right? Because we don't want to be fighting against urges and running away from them our whole lives, do we? We want actual freedom, actually being able to live life without having to think about Nofap every moment of the day. So that's actually what you're gonna learn today. Alright, so 2 points you need to understand to regain full freedom and also be able to eliminate all your triggers. First of all, I said a cause of addiction, right? But the problem is that actually causes are fake. It is not about causes, but actually about something else. And let's see if you can figure it out on your own. Imagine this situation. Aliens found out about Earth and they have been observing us from outer space. And what they noticed is that every time there was good weather, we human beings automatically moved to the beach. And what they concluded was basically that the sunny weather causes us to go to the beach. Now let me ask you, is this the right conclusion? And if not, what is wrong about this conclusion? Exactly, we human beings aren't caused to go to the beach, right? We actually decide to go to the beach based on reason. And that is actually the first essential point. So we don't say we are caused to go to the beach. No, we say we decided to go to the beach based on the reasons that I like going to the beach when it's sunny, I have free time today, so I decide to go to the beach. As you can see, we human beings make choices based on reasons. Using terms like causes is actually unscientific and neglecting the mental autonomy you and I have. So using the word causes is basically indicating that there's an external force that actually forces you to go to the beach, that forces you to relapse. But this is not the case with human behavior. Now that you know that you relapse based on reasons, what can you do with this information? If you said stress caused you to relapse, how would we implement this new knowledge? What happens is that you feel stressed, and the moment you feel stressed, you want to find a way to help you with that, right? Now there is this learned connection. We learn through society, through the media, through whatever it is, that you can drink the stress away, that you can use PMO to cope with the stress, which is also taught in the porn recovery space. Of course, if someone tells you, you have this problem and there's this solution to it, then it's logical that you're gonna want to use that solution, right? But be aware that it's not a real solution, actually you perceive it as a solution. So that's the reason you want to use PMO. For example, there are societies where people don't know about this learned connection between stress and alcohol, or stress and any other drug. So what you see in these societies is that when they are stressed, they don't even think about doing it, because there's no association with it. So yes, if you think it's gonna help you with your stress and you feel stressed, then you're gonna actively want PMO. You're gonna crave for it. And that's not like an addiction, that's actually you, yourself, that wants it. So, when we perceive relieving stress as a benefit of PMO, we will obviously crave for it and generally want it, for the sake of that relief. But once we fix these reasons and actually critically assess them, we can change this and become like the guy that doesn't even think about PMO when he feels stressed. And that would essentially remove this also called cause forever, since we fixed the root issue. So, first point, recognize that it is about reasons. It's not about causes, it's about reasons in your mind to do PMO. And then second point, critically assess and debunk the reasons so that you will never crave for PMO anymore. Now you can critically assess and debunk those reasons yourself, but it can also be quite hard. So if you want, I can personally help you in a free coaching session, since I'm taking a few free calls per week. So in the description below you see a Calendly link, and if you click on it you can schedule a call with me for free, if there's any space left of course, and that way I can help you personally assess your reasons, your benefits, and help you get free of PMO. So if you want help in succeeding with Nofap, just click on that link, just book a call with me, and then I will help you out. Alright guys, so that was the video for today. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I see you guys soon.